This is the Hadoulis F white fig. This was planted in regular potting mix, and you can see all these small little roots, not very many big roots. I'm up potting it. There are a couple big roots. There we go. I'm gonna up pot it to a 15 gallon. It was sitting in a 5 gallon for the longest time and not really growing. This is weak growth after 2 years. So, oh, hi Dexter. So I'm gonna clean all this stuff off, all this junk, this compost junk, and put it in good potting soil. Here I have my hose. I basically got the majority of it, and let's clean it off. Pretty clean. I'll wipe the rest of this off. Let's get to potting it. This is what happens when you up pot a little too late, or you don't take the roots and expand them or break them up when you up pot it. It gets root bound. That's why all these heavy duty roots are swirling around. I'm gonna take these guys, separate them, expand them out, and up pot into a 15 gallon baby. Check it out. This is good soil. It is inert soil. Has no bark, no wood chips, nothing that's gonna decompose. It has peat moss in it, so I guess I'll slowly decompose, but gonna put it in there, expand these roots, and then see if it'll grow. I didn't break up too many of the roots. You can see here I just pulled them slightly apart, tried to unwind some of those roots, but you can see that they're still a little bit wound up. So will it fit in this 15 gallon bucket? You better believe it. Look at how well that fits. The other thing you want to make sure is that this part doesn't go below the line of the soil. You want to try to keep it a little bit above. All right, another interesting thing that's great about figs is you can change the angle of the trunk so that it goes vertical. You don't have to, but it makes it for a good standing tree that is nice and vertical. There we go. Now I'm gonna fertilize this thing, put some water on it, and prune it down. Got to get rid of some of these cuttings so that it can put all of its energy into one central leader. I want it to be central leader and then divide it into 3. So here we go with the single stick. Pretty nice and fancy, right? Look at that, all the way down. So I have one central leader, and then I will cut the tip off so it can grow multiple directions. It is June 26th. This is the Hadoulis F white that was up potted into a 15 gallon pot here. Look at that thing. Some good new growth that's coming off to the side. Another one. I think I'm just gonna cut this and do an air layer for this guy. But little figlet, look at that. I up potted it to this 15 gallon from the 5 gallon that was not doing so good. And look at it now, it's flourishing. You can't overwater it with this inert media. At least that's what I was told. And I haven't overwatered anything or killed anything yet. But got a little bit of dirt here. It's been a dry summer, but nice branching that's coming off to the side there. Leaf structure is pretty good. This variety is supposed to be a honey melon type fig. It's the nice thing about figs is they're relatively flexible. These limbs are nice and flexible. So when you're going to up pot, make sure that you do it when it's dormant. You'll have less shock. And I didn't disturb the roots very much on this one. I mean, I removed all the shoddy soil, but looks really good. I'm watering it once a day. We're hitting 105 degrees each day, and it seems to be doing fine. Good growth. It's not huge, but I think that in time it'll get there. Some nice good growth. All right, so up pot your stuff, not in crappy soil that you get at the potting mix. That stuff will only last about 6 months. then you'll have to redo it again, or it'll just kill your tree. All of these trees, all these fig trees, are potted into the inert soil. I haven't up-potted these guys into inert soil. They look like they're having a hard time, but they're starting to bounce back. That's a really good sign right there. Getting them in a larger pot, especially with our hot temperatures, I have a hard time getting them to grow really well in smaller pots. This is an exception. This one's been in this pot for over a year. This one back here, the NV1, has been in this pot for 2 months. So the growth of 2 months versus a year in a larger sized pot and in inert media. So make sure that you are up potting, removing all that cruddy soil off of your stuff so that you too can have a nice tree that you can't overwater. I'm in the heat here. I don't overwater these things. I even might water it twice a day when we get over 110 degrees. It does help to have the shade cloth, kind of just takes the edge off by about 10 degrees, which is awesome. But again, no overwatering problem. Okay, hope you can follow my example, see the success that has happened. Have I had 100% success in up potting? No, I've not. And that's fine. You are taking a risk by up potting and removing the crappy soil by putting good soil in there. I have killed some citrus by trying to do that, but I guess I just wasn't gentle enough with the roots. You never know. Or maybe it was just time to give up the ghost with the citrus. But with figs, these guys are very resilient. They bounce back really, really well with the up potting and changing out to good soil. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have an excellent day, because I'm going to. I mean, look at these figs. Who doesn't have an excellent day when you look at figs like this?